The difference between a secure RV hookup and a catastrophic failure comes down to critical details that thousands of towers ignore daily. These aren't minor oversights. They're silent hazards hiding in improper setups, masked by dangerous myths. Today, we're exposing the most dangerous RV hookup mistakes that turn routine trips into roadside disasters. Let's get rolling. Choosing the appropriate hitch for your travel trailer is crucial for safe and comfortable journeys. Yet many owners make potentially dangerous mistakes in this critical decision. A hitch's primary purpose is securing your trailer to your tow vehicle while properly distributing weight. But failing to consider the trailer's gross vehicle weight rating often leads to poor hitch selection. Using an underrated hitch risks failure under stress, while an overly heavy-duty one can negatively impact handling and ride quality. Weight distribution hitches represent a significant upgrade for trailers with substantial tongue weight, as they spread the load across all axles rather than concentrating it on the tow vehicle's rear axle, resulting in improved steering, braking, and control. Adding sway control systems helps stabilize the trailer during crosswinds or sudden maneuvers, enhancing overall safety. The common misconception that hitches are universally compatible can lead to serious problems, as factors like tongue weight, tow vehicle specifications, and driving conditions should inform your choice. Ensuring the hitch ball and receiver size match your trailer coupler is essential to prevent dangerous disconnections while driving. To avoid these issues, always reference your trailer's owner's manual for weight specifications and consult your vehicle's towing guide. Making the investment in the correct hitch and ensuring professional installation provides invaluable peace of mind during your travels and protects against both costly damage and potentially life-threatening accidents. Taking the time to properly research and select your hitch components pays dividends in safety and performance on every journey. Proper tongue weight management is essential for safe travel trailer towing, as it represents the downward force exerted on your tow vehicle's hitch. This force should consistently measure between 10 to 15% of your trailer's total weight, a balance that proves crucial for maintaining control and ensuring a safe towing experience. Inadequate tongue weight creates dangerous instability, often manifesting as trailer sway or fishtailing at highway speeds or in challenging wind conditions. This occurs because insufficient downward force compromises the secure connection between trailer and tow vehicle, allowing unwanted independent movement that can quickly lead to loss of control. Conversely, excessive tongue weight creates its own set of hazards by overloading your tow vehicle's rear axle, causing the front end to lift slightly. This reduced front end weight diminishes steering control and braking effectiveness, as the front tires lose crucial road contact. Additionally, sustained excessive tongue weight can cause significant suspension damage and expensive repairs. Measuring tongue weight accurately is vital for preventing these issues. RVers can use specialized tongue weight scales or hitch-mounted measurement devices for precise readings. Once you've determined your tongue weight, achieving the ideal range requires strategic load distribution within your trailer. Position heavier items closer to the trailer's axle to reduce tongue weight or toward the front to increase it, while always avoiding rear heavy loading that can amplify sway issues. For enhanced safety and optimal weight distribution, consider installing a weight distribution hitch system, as these effectively spread the load across all axles of both vehicles. Crossing safety chains under the hitch represents a crucial yet often overlooked aspect of RV towing safety, serving as the final defense against catastrophic trailer separation. When safety chains are improperly attached or left uncrossed, they fail to provide the essential cradle support for the trailer tongue, potentially allowing it to strike the ground during an unexpected disconnect and creating hazardous conditions for all drivers. Proper safety chain installation requires several critical steps to ensure maximum protection and control. First, verify that your chains match your trailer's gross weight rating according to manufacturer specifications, as undersized chains may fail when needed most. Always attach the chains to the designated anchor points on your tow vehicle rather than the hitch ball or bumper, as these anchors are specifically engineered to handle emergency loads. Create an X pattern beneath the hitch by crossing the chains, connecting the left chain to the right anchor and the right chain to the left anchor, forming a protective cradle for the trailer tongue. Maintain appropriate chain length, allowing enough slack for turning while preventing dangerous ground contact that could create sparks and fire hazards. Position all chain hooks with openings facing upward to prevent accidental disconnection during travel. This simple yet effective crossing technique ensures that if your trailer becomes detached, the chains create a supportive cradle that maintains control and prevents the tongue from striking the ground, allowing for a controlled stop. Making proper safety chain crossing a consistent habit provides essential protection and peace of mind during every towing adventure. Proper trailer electrical system setup is fundamental for safe towing, yet connection errors remain among the most common and preventable RV mistakes. Mismatched plugs frequently cause problems, as tow vehicles and trailers often feature different connector types, like 4-pin or 7-pin systems, leading to partial functionality where some lights work while others fail. Using the correct adapter when needed ensures all systems function properly. Many RVers skip the crucial step of testing electrical connections before trips, risking safety issues with brake lights, turn signals, and running lights. A thorough pre-trip inspection should include having someone verify all signals while you operate them from the driver's seat. The standard 7-pin connector powers lights, brakes, and auxiliary systems, requiring secure insertion into the tow vehicle's receptacle to prevent dangerous intermittent power issues. Regular inspection for dirt, corrosion, or damage helps prevent malfunctions that could compromise safety. Common electrical problems often originate from poor wiring, blown fuses, or faulty ground connections, requiring careful examination of both the tow vehicle's fuse box and the trailer's wiring harness for potential damage. Using a multimeter helps identify wiring issues, while applying dielectric grease protects connections from moisture and corrosion damage. Understanding your trailer's electrical system and performing quick pre-trip inspections isn't merely about convenience. It's essential for preventing accidents and ensuring a smooth journey. Taking time to verify electrical connections can prevent roadside emergencies and keep your travel plans on schedule. Proper weight distribution in your travel trailer is essential for safe towing and vehicle handling, as uneven or poorly balanced loads can create dangerous driving conditions. Concentrated weight on one side causes excessive tire stress, increasing blowout risks and creating instability that compromises steering and braking effectiveness, particularly during highway travel or turns. Back-heavy loading reduces tongue weight, making the trailer prone to dangerous sway and fishtailing, while excessive front weight can overload the tow vehicle's rear axle, affecting steering control and braking performance. To maintain optimal balance, place heavier items low to the floor and distribute them evenly side to side, keeping lighter items higher and centered. Always secure cargo with proper tie-downs or netting to prevent dangerous load shifting during travel, as sudden weight changes can cause immediate stability issues. Stay within your trailer's gross vehicle weight rating while ensuring individual axles aren't overloaded, and maintain proper weight distribution along the trailer's length to keep the center of gravity low and near the axles. Consider installing a weight distribution hitch, particularly for heavier trailers, as these systems help distribute loads evenly between the trailer and tow vehicle, improving overall handling characteristics and preventing hitch point sagging. This balanced approach to loading not only enhances safety, but also protects your vehicle and trailer from unnecessary wear and stress, ensuring smoother travels and reduced maintenance costs. Taking time to properly distribute and secure your load before each trip provides essential peace of mind and significantly improves towing safety. a properly calibrated trailer brake controller, yet many RVers overlook this critical adjustment. Incorrect controller settings create two major hazards. Insufficient braking power forces the tow vehicle to handle the full stopping load, increasing stopping distances and brake wear, while overly aggressive settings can cause dangerous wheel lockup and trailer instability. Proper calibration begins with understanding your brake controller's manual and basic controls, particularly the gain setting for braking force and sensitivity for engagement timing. Start calibration by setting the gain to its middle range as a testing baseline. Then conduct low-speed tests in a safe area around 25 miles per hour. During testing, observe the trailer's response to gradual brake application. Forward pushing indicates insufficient gain, while jerking or skidding suggests excessive settings. Make incremental gain adjustments until achieving smooth, effective brake engagement, and adjust sensitivity based on terrain conditions, using higher settings for steep descents and lower ones for flat roads. Significant load changes require recalibration to maintain optimal braking performance, as weight variations affect stopping characteristics. Regular brake controller testing and adjustment ensures balanced braking between your vehicles, reducing wear while enhancing safety. This attention to brake controller calibration provides essential peace of mind during travel, knowing your rig will respond predictably and effectively when braking is needed. Remember that proper calibration isn't a one-time task, but requires ongoing attention as conditions change. The coupler lock serves as a critical component in travel trailer safety, preventing dangerous trailer detachment during travel. Yet many RVers overlook its proper engagement and verification. Common mistakes include failing to fully engage the coupler latch, improperly inserting the locking pin, or skipping the essential post-connection inspection, assuming the coupler is secure without verification. This dangerous complacency can lead to trailer separation during travel, particularly when encountering bumps, navigating turns, or making sudden stops. Proper coupler security requires a methodical approach during hitching. Ensure the coupler completely encloses the hitch ball with a snug fit, without excessive movement or play. Always insert the locking pin or dedicated coupler lock through the latch mechanism to prevent accidental opening during travel, and perform a physical shake test to verify the connection's integrity. Consider installing a secondary coupler lock for enhanced security, particularly valuable during extended trips or when leaving the trailer unattended, as these devices prevent unauthorized trailer removal while providing additional protection against accidental separation. This simple yet crucial security measure requires minimal time investment but delivers significant safety benefits, protecting both your equipment and fellow travelers. Making coupler lock verification a non-negotiable part of your pre-trip routine ensures peace of mind during travel, knowing your trailer remains securely attached to your tow vehicle. Remember that proper coupler security represents an essential investment in safe towing practices, protecting against potentially catastrophic accidents. Proper maintenance of travel, trailer lug nuts, and wheel bearings remains critical for safe towing. Yet many RVers overlook these essential components until catastrophic failure occurs. Regular inspection and tightening of lug nuts prevent dangerous wheel detachment during travel, as normal towing vibrations and stresses gradually loosen these crucial fasteners over time. Using a torque wrench to achieve manufacturer-specified settings ensures proper lug nut security, while torque sticks provide convenient verification tools during extended trips. Wheel bearings require equal attention, as these components enable smooth wheel rotation but face constant stress from heat and friction during travel. Neglected bearings can overheat and seize, potentially causing wheel lockup or complete detachment at highway speeds, leading to costly repairs and hazardous situations. Proper bearing maintenance includes thorough cleaning, adequate greasing, and careful inspection for wear patterns or damage, typically performed annually or every 10,000 miles depending on usage patterns. Warning signs like unusual grinding noises, squealing sounds, or excessive grease around wheel hubs indicate immediate bearing attention is needed. Implementing regular lug nut checks and wheel bearing maintenance into your pre-trip routine provides essential protection against expensive repairs and dangerous roadside emergencies. These seemingly simple maintenance tasks play a crucial role in keeping your trailer roadworthy and safe, offering valuable peace of mind during your travels. Taking time to properly maintain these components helps prevent the devastating consequences of wheel-related failures, ensuring safer journeys for everyone on the road. The breakaway cable serves as a critical yet frequently overlooked safety feature in travel trailer setups. Designed to activate the trailer's electric brakes during unexpected disconnection, preventing dangerous runaway situations. Many RVers make the potentially lethal mistake of attaching this cable to the hitch or safety chains rather than a dedicated anchor point on the tow vehicle's frame, rendering it useless if the primary connection fails. Proper installation requires securing the cable to a frame-mounted loop or sturdy towing eye, ensuring independent function during emergencies. Cable tension plays an equally crucial role in system effectiveness, as excessive slack delays brake activation, while over-tightening risks premature brake engagement during normal towing maneuvers. Finding the optimal tension allows for necessary movement during turns while keeping the cable clear of ground contact. Regular inspection of the breakaway cable reveals potential issues like fraying or corrosion that demand immediate replacement, while periodic testing through manual activation confirms proper brake engagement. Never skip checking the breakaway system during pre-trip inspections, as this simple component could mean the difference between a minor incident and a major disaster. The breakaway cable requires minimal maintenance, yet provides essential protection against one of towing's most dangerous scenarios, a detached, uncontrolled trailer. Making proper breakaway cable installation and maintenance part of your standard setup routine ensures crucial emergency protection during every journey, providing peace of mind for both you and fellow travelers. The safety pin or clip plays a crucial yet frequently overlooked role in trailer towing security, preventing catastrophic trailer detachment through a simple locking mechanism. Neglecting to insert this small but vital component after connecting the coupler to the hitch ball creates dangerous vulnerability, as the coupler latch can disengage during travel, particularly over rough terrain or during sharp maneuvers. Many RVers mistakenly assume their connection remains secure without proper pin verification, ignoring the potential for pins and clips to wear out, bend, or lose effectiveness over time. Proper safety protocol requires checking pin installation before every journey, ensuring the pin fits snugly through the coupler latch's designated hole without possibility of dislodgement. When using locking pins, verify complete engagement of the locking mechanism for maximum security. Smart RVers maintain spare pins and clips in their towing toolkit, providing crucial backup if original components become damaged or lost during travel. Regular inspection of these components reveals wear patterns or damage requiring immediate replacement, preventing potential failures during critical moments. This seemingly minor safety step provides essential protection against one of towing's most dangerous scenarios, unexpected trailer separation. Including safety pin verification in your pre-trip checklist takes minimal time, yet delivers significant safety benefits, protecting both your equipment and fellow travelers. Remember that proper pin installation represents the final barrier between secure towing and potential disaster, making it a non-negotiable step in responsible RV operation. Proper hookup practices are the foundation of safe and stress-free travel. So always double-check your setup and follow a pre-trip checklist before hitting the road. In our next video, we'll dive into the must-have RV accessories that make towing safer and easier. Don't miss it. Happy and safe travels.